any future. Can't match its super long battery life. The new B75ECO. Equipped with Yuchi National IVF 300 engine, maximum power up to 36.8千瓦. More economical and fuel efficient. Post-processing is more convenient and worry-free to use. Adopt flow of cooling system. Heat stability. Easy to clean up. The performance is not reduced. Equipped with a load-sensitive hydraulic system. More efficient. Low energy loss. Transmission system upgrade. Adapt to different needs in different road conditions. Travel faster, longer service life. Optional hydraulic stack brake system. Responsive. Better braking performance. Stable and reliable high-strength body. Beam structure with double topography. Newly upgraded large steel ring plus special engineering tires. Good driving and seat support. Family exterior design. Embracing tail design. Better protection. Multifunctional 4-color LCD instrument. Rich information display. Total vehicle status control. Seat. Directional column operation handle can be adjusted from multiple angles. More comfortable ride operation. Affordable, comfortable and worry-free. The cost-effective choice of tuning several blocks.